So we're gonna unbox the Vivobarefoot Gobi 2. This is my second minimal barefoot footwear that I bought. The first one was the Zero Shoes Z-Track, so it's a sandal. So this one is, I bought this because this is something that I need for work, something a little bit formal rather than wearing sandals all day. So I bought the black one just to match with my outfit. It's just simple looking shoes. So this one I bought at their UK online store, which I got shipped to the UAE with extra tax payment and also the express shipping. But first, I was actually hesitant to buy this shoes. This one is size 4 shoes. Usually I have a size 7.5 US, and when I convert it to a UK size, it's a size 5 UK. And so I was very hesitant to buy this because at their UK store they don't have a size 5. It's already sold out. So I emailed Vivo regarding the size, and then they directed me to their US store, in which I immediately bought a 7.5 size. But then, unfortunately, the US store cannot deliver to outside of their country. So it's just within the US. So they had to cancel my purchase, and then they told me to just buy it the UK, but unfortunately, if the size is not available on their online shop, you can't buy it. So I just asked them if I could buy a size 4 UK, and if it doesn't fit me, I asked them if I can return it, and then they said that yes, of course you can, as long as you don't use it outdoors. You can ship it back to us, and then we can give you another size that will fit you. So I said, okay, I'll give it a try, I'll give it a chance. And so I did. And this one, I already pre-opened it because I got it from my office. And then I just wanted to immediately try it so that I would know if I need to ship it back or what, so that I wouldn't be bringing it at home. I already tried this one and it fit me just perfectly fine. So it was a good buy, because for me, I don't really want to buy big shoes, because as we know, or as I've seen in some of the photos of these Gobi 2, and also some of the reviews, that they said that the shoes is like a clown shoes that is big. That's why when I wore this one, I thought that, yeah, it's a good fit. The size 4 is a perfect fit for me. So now let's move on to the unboxing. So first off, you'll notice the box has a very minimalist logo there, and also the Vivobarefoot icon and text logo here, and also the size and the logo right there. So I bought this one with my friend, and her box is different from mine. Her size is size UK size 6, but her box has some wordings in here. I forgot what it says, but we have different boxes. So going on with the inside of the box, it has this cork soles right here that says Vivobarefoot, and then at the back it's like a foam, green foam that has their iconic hexagon shapes all over it. And then you have like a brochure that says information about bare footwear, the pros that you get, and also showing some of their products. And then you get the final shoes. So it's wrapped with a parchment paper, and then you get to see the leather shoes. So it has a filling inside, and if you'll notice, one pair will have the leather tag that says Pittered Wild Hide Hand Finished. It says that these shoes are made using natural and lined leather and may leak color when wet. It's leather, so hopefully if you use it for winter, or if your feet perspires, or if your feet perspires, expect that something will turn darker. And I'm gonna take off the fillings first and then show you the actual shoe. So I'll just show one pair. From the outside, it has the leather finish. I thought that I would really get a very matte finish of the shoe, but surprisingly, this is a very shiny looking leather. My friend bought a dark brown one, but hers looks a little bit matty. So I didn't expect really to have the black one in this shiny color, because from the reviews that I saw, they were all matte. And looking at the shoe itself, first it has this Vivotex branding at the tongue of the shoe, and then at the back side of the shoe we have this pull-up, you have the V icon logo. And yeah, like going on with the tongue of the shoe, so it's like sewed onto the shoe itself, so it doesn't go off all the way. So it's like that. See, and the lace, it's just a normal lace, but you can buy it separately at their website. And also this one is like threaded for its durability perhaps, and also inside has threading. Oh yeah, it also has this Vivobarefoot, very minimal branding over on this side. At the sole of the shoe, where you have the initial sole, because you have an additional sole insert here. You have the Vivo logo text, and the Vivo logo text and icon. And lastly, of course, at the bottom of the shoe, you have the V icon in red, and also the Vivobarefoot text engraved and patterned. So it's a little bit dirty because I tried it on before. And then I will try to wear this. I try to wear it both with and without the soles, and I could tell it instantly that when I put on the soles, it just feels different. It just feels like a normal shoes and not something really like a barefoot shoe, because I've already been wearing the Zero shoes for a couple of weeks now, and my shoes and my feet adjusted to it already, and instantly I could feel that this is a shoe, and that when I put the sole, it doesn't feel that minimal. So I guess I might be wearing the Vivo shoes without the sole inserts. I might just wear this if I would go to a trip to a cold place, but not here in Dubai. Or maybe it gets cold here. Tomorrow I will wear this, but we'll see. Vivobarefoot Gobi 2, and nothing much to say for now. I think I'm gonna stick with I'm gonna stick to it without the soles, and let's see where this one goes and how long will our Gobi 2 last on a very intense daily usage. So yeah.